Melly Mel here from Sincerely Creative Mom. Coach Mel, some of you know me as Coach Mel. We are going to be making a flower wreath, like for summer colors, nice and bright. It could be used in spring also. So I'm cutting in, a lot of times when I make flowers, I cut them 11 inches, but really you should be cutting them 10 inches. So I'm going to follow suit and cut 10 inches. And I'm doing it with a wood burner because this is all poly burlap mesh. And so I want to be real gentle with it. But we're just going to, with the 10 inch, we're going to be able to come up corner to corner. And then make a nice petal here. And I'm just going to, just one. I'm not going to do all of them, but just one. I'm just going to, just so you're going to see what it's going to kind of look like. So we have the purple, the check, and then the teal. How pretty is that? I love it. I totally love it. Totally love it. And then we're going to use the small Unique in the Creek board, 16 on the outside, 16 on the outside, then 8, then 8, and then we're going to actually use 8 again on the inside. So I preload them, obviously, and then I don't close them all the way. For those of you who have not seen this sort of design, I don't close them all the way, but at least preloading them and having them started makes it a lot easier. These are 6 inches. Yeah, these are 6 inches. I'm not going to put any leaves in this one because it's going to be kind of just a multicolor fun. All right, we're going to start from the outside, obviously, and work our way in. So all I'm going to do is go corner to corner. I cut them 10 inches wide, different than I usually do at 11 inches, just to be different. But this is 10 inches. I'm going to try to be real careful and real precise. I'm just going to scrunch that up here. And then come out here and put it right down in there. Simple enough. We're going to keep going round and round. It's going to get a lot bigger. Corner to corner. Line it up real gentle. So I'm just being gentle with it. Again, we went through all that work to cut it with a wood burner so that it wouldn't fray. And so I'm just trying to be real gentle with it. And like I said, usually I do it a different way. So I'm doing it this way, just. Oh yeah. This little tool, my sweet Jenny Ward sent me. She bought it from Amazon. It's the best thing. It's so cool. It tightens and cuts these kind of all at the same time. So look at how cute this is going to be. I'm going to cut it 10 inches also to check like multicolor. So we cut them 10 inches. It is going to be adorable. Oh, yes, ma'am. And then I'm going to do that right along on the close side, just like this, so that I don't have to take off those little tiny ends that make me twitch as best as I can. Okay, so I need 6 more of those. Okay, I'm going to be real mindful of those edges. Hold it down and gather away. put it in there, nice and easy. Now look, those edges are going to kind of touch just perfectly. I was really afraid of it overlapping and not having enough overlap there to, I thought you would be able to see through and see the, because, this is pretty see-through, but I thought you'd be able to see the actual board, but it does a really good job right here where it gathers, and you can't see it. So pretty. I love this. Now again, this is the small board. Let's make these and then put them in together. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So I want to make sure that point stays the same. Point gets up there. I don't let go. I just make sure that that has as best as I can, has a nice shape there. And then I'm not gonna pull that out. I'm gonna put it right in there. All right, so I think I'm just going to do a smaller petal, like gather it not so much, or a little bit further than the tip. So here's where the holes that have them in there, so that you see we went right where they're supposed to. Now we're just going to add 4 more. Okay, here we go, finishing it in. I love the smaller petals on the inside. I don't know if that's how y'all do it, but it looks good. Look at how cute that's gonna be. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me find us some U-pins. Put a little bit of glue on the end there. Put a little bit of glue on the end there. Watch my little fingers. And then I'm going to take those pipe cleaners and pull them in those two, and then pull them in that too. So that's what I'll be working on right now, and I'll pull it through to the underside to attach. Is that the center? All right. And cut those off. And I'm going to slide it right back inside. So we have a beautiful flower